New points, lines are progress. The end is the beginning of a new. Trees, new branch got praise. Root, wooden column, big brow, small brow, new brow, fruit. All connects to meet a new fruit. Creation of knowledge. Also, the same as this root, this the way. Root, wooden column, big bow, small bow, new bow, fruit. I thought that is all new points line is progress. All the start and fruits, start and fruits, all this beginning and result is the points is progress. So to be created and getting a fruitful, just rewardness result, it needs a kind of a past, just new points connecting is required. The tree of fruit, to get the fruit, it needs a root. Tree roots, wooden columns, big bow, small bow, new bow, fruit. Every new years, every new just bow is coming out. The new bow is prepared for fruit. So all the time new is strong powers. New is front lines. All the livings are by a second and getting new is get a fruit. Without news, without reach at new and creation of knowledge of points, then there is any new word, there is any fruit. It is really reasonable, just concepts. So that, just to get the creation of knowledges, it is required of all just new points. All creation of knowledge points connect to now reach at beginning of new. This is new. New is a huge and big power in the futures. Without new, there is no futures. New is not powerful now, but new is in the future powerful. So, and now it's old, old, kind of just in compare with the trees, that is wooden columns, big bows. If they are strong powers, wooden column, big bows stand upon again to the huge powerful, just rainfalls and the winds. So they is very strong powers. If they are strong power, then they do not interesting is small bows, new bows. Then in the end, without small bow, without new boats, without fruits, then the wooden column, big bows, there is any futures. We are now is deceit. We are now is wrong because we are depends on huge, just sea, just big is really reliable. So unthin and small and new regarded as nothing, then what is happening? We can progress. New points lines are progress. New points is what is new bows. Every year new bows, every year new fruits. every new point is after 1 years, the new bows now to be new points lines. Changed. Every year, every time changed. What changed? Getting new. Every year, every time do not change getting to new, then the place without circulations. Old and new circulations without. Keep old then the place there is any beginning of a new. Without beginning of a new, the places there is any progress. Without progress, in the place living persons suffer from without any new, so there is any interesting and excitement. Interesting, excitement with new. New is give excitement and pleasures, because all of our peoples trying to want to taste a new song, taste a new food. If a new song sounds is good, ever do not hear of a songs coming that all of the people's excitement with new songs. The same as a new food also. So all people's seeking a new. Then to be new is what? New points, lines of progress. The end is the beginning of new. New, to be new art, new song, new food, it required. Keep new points lines. Without new points lines, who knows, never ever get new praise, new food, new songs. So most people seeking a new fame, new media, new contents, new stories. But it's even though all the people wanted to know, but who new points lines of progress and is beginning of new? Who can do new creation of old food, song, whatever? Who can do it? Maybe creators, maybe researchers, maybe investigators, maybe Tao physics, Tao what? We are just now. We have to know. We have to think about it. The new points lines of progress. The end is the beginning of new. Trees, new branch got trees. Roots, wooden columns, big bowl, small bowl, new bowl, new bowl, fruits, all connect to me the new fruits, new bowls, fruits. Only new is gather fruits. Only new is gather, futures. So, our whole livings, persons, trying to challenge to get a new and get a new fruits, that it is not easy. So I'm talking to you the ways, new points, lines of progress. The end is beginning of new. Tree, new branch got trees, roots, wooden columns, big bowl, small bowl, new bowl, fruits. Root also was new points. Wooden column was new points. Big bowl was new points. Small bowl was new points. New bowl, now new. 1 year after, the new point also new points it is. If we're now living, much do. We are living the result of a past, but we are preparing for the future of a new. All people just depends on past result, then all people do not go to the futures, new, then what happens? There is any progress. So we are all living movings. All livings are changes. Change. From old to new, from old to new, from old to new. This is progress. And now we must do beginnings of new. Then we'll get praise. You know, the very same. Human being are same. New. You know, young adults, maybe 20 ages era, maybe 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30 also. They are new, so they can get praise. That is babes. New is power. New is, creating. New bough, what creates? Fruits. The same is all we have to must rose, living on the past. For future living is getting new. Getting new is, to be new is challenges. To be new is keep linings. New points lines are progress, right? So we must be new points lines concepts in our inside. Keep without losing the ways. Keep ways to progress. New points lines are progress. So to be creating, then I'm at the end of beginning of new. In that case, I'm help the progress futures, but I can live in the just progress of the new point progress lines. So I can live in safe livings. I can go to futures excitedly. This is real. This is valuable livings. Thank you very much.